Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to talk about what I like to call the parent visa loophole. So there are essentially two types of parent visas to Australia. There are the normal parent visas and then there are the contributory parent visas. The key differences between the normal and the contributory parent visa is that the contributory parent visa requires applicants to pay an additional second visa application charge to the Australian government. Now currently that second visa application charge is set at $43,600 per adult applicant. So you can imagine that when you add those fees together, in addition to the initial visa application charges, that applying for a contributory parent visa can be very expensive. So the parent visa loophole means that applicants can apply for a tourist visa to enter Australia and then apply for the aged parent visa, subclass 804, from inside Australia and stay in Australia whilst they wait for that aged parent visa to be granted. Now, the aged parent visa currently has a processing time of approximately 30 years or more. Okay, so it's going to take a very long time. However, the benefit is that if you do apply for the 804 visa from inside Australia, you will be granted a bridging visa, which is a temporary visa that will allow you to stay in the country until you get a decision on the 804, even if it does take 30 years. So in effect, that bridging visa allows you to stay in the country indefinitely until a decision is made. Now, the key to this loophole is that the tourist visa that you are granted or enter Australia with must not have a no further stay condition imposed. Essentially, a no further stay condition prevents applicants from applying for another visa from inside Australia. So let's say, for example, you hold a passport from the United Kingdom, from Canada, or the United States. You are entitled to an electronic tourist visa that will not have a no further stay condition imposed. So you can use that visa to come into Australia, and as long as you are above the age of 65, you will be able to apply for the age parent visa from inside Australia. Once your tourist visa expires naturally, you will then go on to the bridging visa, which will stay in effect all the way through. So that is what I like to call the parent visa loophole. And I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about applying for parent visas to Australia, please feel free to get in touch by giving us a call on 1300 644 788. Thank you very much.